Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen. Today we are going to go over the installation of the new hood strip, animated switchback hood strip for the Ford Maverick. And this will work for any Ford Maverick up through 2025 and hopefully beyond. But as of the recording of this in July of 2025, it will work for any Ford Maverick pre or post facelift. So the first step of this process will be to unroll your hood strip. It will have black vinyl covering on one side and red double-sided tape on the bottom side. You'll start with take your strip where the wires come out, and that's going to go on the driver's side. And you'll need to clean the surface off of the top of the headlight and the top of the grill and the top of this headlight with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, to get the surface clean. You'll begin to peel off the red covering for the double-sided adhesive, and take the wire end and tuck it as far back in here as you can. And it will go back, you just kind of tuck it right back in there. And then you adhere that down. And then as you go along, you'll pull the red tape with one hand and press this down with a good amount of force all the way across. And then I don't have it quite tucked in yet, but you will take, the strip is a little longer than it needs to be, but we'll leave the extra length so that if you choose to try and make it go even further around here, you can do so. This one just terminates kind of right here at the edge of the headlight. But you'll just tuck the excess back into this recess back here. Then that's got your strip installed. Next, you will take the included control box. It will have double-sided tape on it. Clean off this section of the headlight right here and apply the control box to the side of the headlight on the driver's side. And then it will plug into this 3-pin connector that leads over to the strip. And then on the other side, you will have a star key jumper with some capacitors, and this will all be set up for you ahead of time. And you literally just unplug your factory harness from the parking light, install the star key connector into both ends, and then that's got this side completely done. Next, you'll take the green wire and use the included zip ties, and you'll need to secure it in a couple of places. Now, some of these might be different. This is a 2025 all-wheel drive hybrid model. Yours may look a little different, but it will be the same general principle. You want to secure it in a couple of places. And I've got it secured to a plastic tube there. And this is all underneath this intake plenum that runs along here. So you want to secure it up under there. Make sure it stays away from anything that moves and anything that gets hot. Then I've got it secured again on this end. Again, using the included zip ties. You can see right there. And then one more. And this will all be done. So this is on the passenger side now. You'll take another one of these star key connectors and plug it in line between your factory plug and your factory turn signal. And it will have these connectors. This parking light, the red wire labeled park on the passenger side, will not get used. It just has dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. And this will be zip tied on here. You plug that in, and that's got your passenger side done. And that is literally all it takes to install this hood strip on your Ford Maverick.